Hi there, and welcome to our homeschooling journey. Today I'll be reviewing A Year of Playing Skillfully. We've been using this curriculum with our 3-year-old, and I'm excited to share my thoughts with you. I do want to begin by saying we are not affiliated with A Year of Playing Skillfully in any way. I want to offer you my honest opinion of the curriculum to help you decide if it's worth investing in. Let's start with an overview of the curriculum. Lee and Lesli Richards designed this curriculum for ages 3 to 7. It includes 6 subjects, such as home life and social emotional, art and music, language and literacy, math and manipulatives, science and sensory, outdoors and gross motor, as well as suggested field trips. The curriculum is anywhere from $150 to $180 and can be purchased online. One of the strengths of this curriculum is that it offers a list of up to 30 activities to do each month between September and May. I love how everything is printed on heavyweight paper and that the monthly printables are on cardstock. Another strength is flexibility and how it can be adjusted to your family life and teaching style. This has been helpful for the days that are overwhelming or unexpected. I also appreciate all the visuals throughout the pages, monthly supply list, a mom's toolbox section with book recommendations, encouragement, and activities for mom, and how it's laid out to pick and choose what to implement or leave out. This has made homeschooling a lot easier to plan out at the beginning of each month. There are a few weaknesses to this curriculum. One of the weaknesses is the price point. I found that it is not budget friendly, especially if you're starting out. Another weakness is the physical copy does not arrive as a binded book. It arrives as a shrink-wrapped stack of pages. This was challenging because I had to spend more money for storage like a binder and sheet protectors. Lastly, the lack in detail in some activities. This was a problem because I had to rely on visuals and my creativity, which I do not have. Religious beliefs are reflected through Bible verses written on each monthly printable, activities particularly around Christmas and Easter, book recommendations, Bible story references. They even provide bookmarks with verses parents can use regularly to pray over their children. Overall, I believe this curriculum is a great wonder-based option. I think it's a great choice for families that learn best through hands-on play, have children of many ages, and look forward to planning out 2 to 4 activities per day. However, if you want a purely secular curriculum and aren't okay having to eliminate or adapt, then it might not be the best choice. Thank you for watching my review of A Year of Playing Skillfully. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if you use this curriculum, I'd love to hear your thoughts as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more homeschooling content.